Hello guys, welcome to Matching Cards. Today I'm gonna show you the loots I got again from the box breaks that I joined. First off is from Kaps Karton box break of Jason Bagio. The boxes were the 2021 Mosaic and Donruss Cello 21-22. So first, from the free break that he gave us is from Prism box, and it's a TR. The team that I got was Denver. So first, the base, Jamal Murray. Next is Jeremy Grant. A Prism of RJ Hampton. Insert instant impact. An RC base of Zeke Naji. And a holo prism of Zeke Naji. That was from the free break. And the next one is a Mosaic, and I chose the Spurs. So the first are in the base, Jacob Potel. Next one is Derek White, which is now playing for Boston Celtics. Lonnie Walker, base. Next off, Devin Vassell. This one is an NBA debut of Devin Vassell. And I got the parallel of Derek White. I think this is the yellow prism. Next box was the Donruss. Oh no, it's a cello, the fat pack, 21-22. And I chose the Miami Heat. The base here are Goran Dragic. Got two of those. A Kyle Lowry. Next is Bama Adebayo. I've got three base. Bama Adebayo. Next, a base of Tyler Hero. I also got this green and yellow laser of Tyler Hero. Nice looking parallel. Which, the Miami Heat is now in the Eastern Conference Finals. Still waiting for the winner of the Boston Celtics and the Milwaukee Bucks. So congratulations, Tyler Hero. Next is from J Cards PH box break of Julius Vanguardia. This one is a Mosaic again and a Donruss cello. So first off, the team that I chose was the Phoenix Suns. So here are the base cards from Donruss. DeAndre Ayton. Next is Devin Booker. Then we go to the Mosaic. Jay Crowder. Cameron Payne. Cameron Johnson, base. Mikal Bridges. DeAndre Ayton, base. And I got Devin Booker. Well, tomorrow is Game 7 against the Dallas Mavericks. So another battle of Devin Booker versus Luka Doncic. Let's see. Will advance against the winner will battle the Golden State Warriors for the Western Finals. Let's see. An all-time greats, Steve Nash, and an all-time greats, Charles Barkley. Next team is San Antonio Spurs. Another Derek White, base. Keldon Johnson. Lonnie Walker the fourth. DeMar DeRozan, who is now playing for the Chicago Bulls. An RC of Trey Jones. An all-time greats, Mr. Fundamental, Tim Duncan. And next is the Detroit Pistons. Got the beast, Josh Jackson, Jeremy Grant. I've got the base and parallel. I think this is I forgot. So this is Jeremy Grant, Detroit Pistons, and an NBA debut of Killian Hayes. Also a parallel. Well, last season was a disappointment for Killian Hayes. I hope he picks up his game for the next season. Next is a blue chips of Isaac Okoro. Insert from Mosaic. A Mosaic bang. This one is from Kyrie Irving. Cavaliers versus Warriors. June 29, 2015. Bang, Kyrie Irving. The Cleveland Cavaliers. Next off, my team next was Rockets. This one is a Flux base. KPJ, Kevin Porter Jr. Christian Wood. This one is a blue prism. An insert from Mosaic, Hakeem Olajuwon, Hall of Fame. From Chronicles, I've got RC of Jason Tate. This one is a Prestige, Jason Tate. A Marquee. This one from Kenyon Martin Jr. And a Flux insert. The Flux Appeal of Jason Tate. One of my favorite inserts here in Flux 2021, 2020-2021. Flux, Jason Tate, Flux Appeal. Next off, I was looking for or hoping to get a Josh Giddey, so I picked the Thunder for this break. Let's see. I got a Lucas Dort base. I got Ty Jerome. Darius Baisley base. Theo Maledon, second year base. Also second year, Alexei Pokusevsky. Shai Gilgeous Alexander, SGA from Mosaic base. And also SGA, This one is from Donruss. An insert of SGA franchise features from Donruss 2021-22. Another insert of SGA. This one is montage SGA OKC, a montage from Mosaic. Let's see now from the rookies of 21-22. Jeremy Robinson Earl, a great expectations, Trey Man, an insert. Also playing well for the OKC. This is Alexei Pokusevski, second year, an orange laser. Nice parallel. From Mosaic, and another Alexei Pokusevski. This one is a true RC. OKC, Alexei Pokusevski, and I got his Red Wave RC. Nice. Got the base and the parallel. So too bad I didn't get an Giddy. Maybe next time. Next up is from Box Break Combine, January Cards PH. I joined their break. In this break, I chose the Brooklyn Nets. So let's see. The boxes were Mosaic and Donruss, the fat box, cellos. So from Mosaic, I got Kevin Durant. This one is a national pride base. Then on the Donruss, I've got Blake Griffin base. Another KD, Kevin Durant base. A Patty Mills base. Here's a rookie, an RC, the rated rookie of Kessler Edwards from Brooklyn Nets. And Cameron Thomas, better rookie from the Brooklyn Nets, a rated rookie of Cameron Thomas from Donruss. Also got a green and yellow laser of Kyrie Irving from Donruss, and an insert James Harden complete players, and I got two of these. So that's it. These are the hits I've got. Alexei, too bad, no Josh Giddey. This one's a nice card too. Freeman. And this one, really like this one, the Flux Appeal. Also, one of my favorite Donruss green and yellow laser of Tyler Hero. So those were the hits that I got from the breaks of Kaps Karton Box Break Combine, and J Cards PH Box Break. So I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you are new here, please like, share, subscribe. Also click the notification bell to keep you updated on my new videos. So that's it. Take care. Bye.